back in Oregon. I'm just so excited to get started on some of these adventures. And what better way to start the Oregon adventures than to do it with Kaylee? I am just so stoked. So this is a waterfall trail. I know there's all sorts of them in Oregon, but this is one of them. Super gorgeous, and I'm just so stoked to go have some adventure and bring Oregon back to life like I do. So come join me.
Cross the rapids of Wolf Creek by Roseburg, Oregon, you can find a breathtaking wonder of nature. But first, a hike through the temperate jungle. Look beyond, and you find its riches. These are the Wolf Creek Falls. One of Oregon's many treasures.